Hi everybody, I'm Edward Munoz and I'm here at Burton & Burton. Inflate a 3-foot balloon latex with helium take a lot of helium. That's why in this video I want to show you how you can inflate a 3-foot balloon just with air and display at your store. Are you ready? I'm ready. First, we need to put together the column kit. They come in with different pieces that we need to attach the longer pieces with the smaller pieces. I call these connectors. We're using connectors with the longer pieces. Connector. Now, this is the base and I add water inside this base to get more stability. Now, let me show you how you can attach a latex 3-foot balloon with air around the cap. We need to inflate the balloons with an electric inflator balloon. We have a small piece. This is what will help us to attach the balloon to the cap. Let's introduce this piece around the neck, the balloon. You can see it there. And now tie. Tie like you normally tie the balloons, okay? Hold the piece, and this is the cap. Just pull through the piece, and now just pull up. And now attach the cap to the pole. See how easy it was? But now let's make it prettier just adding ribbon. I cut in ribbon to be the same length. I'm using a gold and black. I hold it all together and just pass through between the balloon and the cap. And now start separate each piece the ribbon. And now I have one piece of ribbon that I will tie here around the cap. And now make a bow. I will trim each piece of ribbon. See how nice is this design? But remember, all the time when you display latex balloon in your store or when you want that shine be longer, you have to use high shine. We actually sell the high shine in 2 different presentations. You have it in spray or you have in aerosol. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.